Today we're going to be reviewing the VEVOR Electric Wheelchair for adult seniors. I've been using this wheelchair for the past week or so. I've been doing laps around my neighborhood, trying it out, and I'm really impressed with it. I think it's a great option for anyone who's looking for an affordable and reliable electric wheelchair. It can hold up to 300 pounds, has a range of up to 25 miles on a single charge. I am 240 pounds, 6 foot 2 inches tall, and I have done a good 5 miles on this, and I think I've gone down one light. There's plenty of battery. There's well more than half the battery, so that seems to just about be perfect. The wheelchair is easy to fold up and store, making it a great option for travel. I will say, just as a real world thing, I can pick it up and put it in the back of the truck, no problem. But my wife, I don't think she could do it, just so you have a feel for how lightweight and portable it is. How comfortable is the wheelchair to ride? That's so key and so important. And I have to say, I found it very comfortable. It has a padded seat and backrest. It's got this great kind of memory foam feel to it, except it's got this mesh covering, which is nice and cool to sit on. So I'm really happy about that. The controls are super easy, super intuitive. Takes a little bit at first, I find. You know, it uses the differential between the two motors to kind of change direction. And if you give it a little too much trying to change direction while you're going forward, it kind of tends to really slow you down to make that turn. But a little practice and it is smooth as can be. Really liked it. The turning, you could turn on a dime, you could do a complete 360, goes into reverse nice and easy. It communicates to you, tells you whether you're in reverse to be going careful, all that kind of stuff. Seatbelt is a nice, good size. I know this thing's good for up to 300 pounds. There's a cool little alligator over there. I know you can't see him, but little baby there. How far can the wheelchair go on a single charge? That is, again, another common question. As we discussed, I did 5 miles and didn't make a dent in the battery. I'm told it will go 25 miles on a single charge. Obviously, that's going to depend on your weight, the terrain, and all those other factors. I'm trying to think what else you would want to know about these. I am so enthralled with it. It's very hard for me to pick things apart. The only thing I think I would say is if you are going to use this traveling and that kind of stuff, it is not heavy. I personally picked it up and out of the box, and like I said, it is one piece, and I could easily pick it up, put it in the back of the car, something like that. But I think if you, my wife, isn't going to be able to pick it up, put it anywhere. But I think that's probably pretty standard for things like this. Yeah, overall, I think this thing is absolutely super cool. You cannot go wrong with this. So in terms of mileage, I am not coming back to tell you about it unless it fails. To me, I see no way this is not making the mileage that we expect. So that's all good with me. I really hope this has been helpful. I've been trying to bring you all the information you could need. If I left something out, again, let us know. But I hope this has been helpful, and we will see you next time.